guys, welcome to AM Pranks, and today I'm going to be showing you what happens when you take this squishy to school. See you guys when I'm at school. Hi, teacher. Hi, Miss Honey, hi. Yes, I'll sit down. Yes, it's okay, I'll get the paper out. Okay. Well. Michaela, what's that in your hand? Me? Nothing. Okay, Miss Honey, I've got a squishy. Why do you have a squishy? I don't think you'll be happy if somebody breaks it, so put that away. Oh my gosh, is that a squishy? Hang on, let me just text my mum that I've actually got a squishy. Hey, it's not your squishy, it's my squishy. And I don't want to lose this squishy. Please, please, please let me squish it. I promise I'll get it back. I'll delete the message. Send. Okay, deleted the message. Oh, please, can I squish the squishy? Only if you promise you won't break it and you promise you'll get it back. I will. This squishy is so good. Love it. Anyway, next squishy. Oh my gosh. I told you not to try and throw it or break it or do anything. Okay? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I just took a picture and I'm gonna send it to my mom. Go get your squishy if you want it. Oh my gosh. It's just a squishy. You can order one. And don't do that again. And I'm not gonna let you squish it one more time. Hello? Oh, sorry. My mum's just on the phone with Honey. Yes, I got to squish it, squishy. It's so fun. Yes, darling. I know, it's so funny. Yeah. I'm gonna ask to squish it one more time. You really think I'm gonna let you squish it this time? No, you think wrong. Why do you think I let you feel my squishy when you have just thrown it? Wait, what? Did I just hear that I can't feel your squishy? I'm gonna text my mom. You're not my BFF. Really is such a crybaby over a squishy. Well, girls, why are you fighting over the squishy? And I've told you to put that down. Now get on with your work and start doing your work. It wasn't me. It's not my squishy. It's not my squishy, Miss Honey. It's not. It's hers, Michaela's. Okay, maybe it is my squishy, but you don't have to blame it every single time on me. My mum's not happy with you, and you're not my BFF. When can I feel it again? Now. Please? Pretty please? Pretty please? No. Why? I want to feel it. Oh my gosh, get over yourself. It's just squishy. I'm sure you have one at home. I don't. Please let me have the squish. Well, girls, why are you arguing over the squishy again? This is your last chance or you're out of class. Okay? And stop crying over squishy, both of you. You're like two little babies who was just being born. Now, please stop it. Hi guys, thank you for watching. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell and comment down below. I love doing that. And I'm just showing you what will happen when you get to school. See you later. Bye.